Hello and welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Yashashya and today in this video I'll show you how to create and set up resource pool in OnceHub and explain how it can help you manage your team's availability efficiently. So without any further delay, let's get into it. Firstly, log into your OnceHub account. Once you log in, you'll be taken to this home page. From this home page, simply click on booking pages from the left navigation pane and it'll take you to the booking page scheduling setup. On this page, hover over to the left navigation pane and select Resource Pools. So Resource Pool lets you group multiple team members together so clients can book with anyone based on the distribution method you have opted in for. So let's go ahead and create a resource pool. So just hit the button of create a resource pool, give it a name, select a distribution method. There are basically three different distribution methods. First is the pooled availability with priority, which shows the combined availability of all the team members in one booking link. So whenever your customer selects a time, the booking is assigned to the team member with the highest priority. Second comes in the pooled availability, which is simply the combined availability of all your team members shown together to your client. And third is the round robin, which distributes the meeting equally among all your team members. So select the distribution method as per your requirement and just hit save and edit. So now click on add remove booking pages, click on the drop down and select the booking pages you want in this resource and just hit add. Since we have opted in for pooled availability with priority, you can set the priority as per your requirements, and once done, just hit save. And that's it. You have created your resource pool and added the relevant team members to the resource pool, which can later be used with the master page to show availability to your clients. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.